Here's a Fliki AI tutorial and its new feature, Idea to Video. We will break this down into 5 easy steps. However, I highly recommend not skipping any part of this video, as you might miss out on some important tips that I will be sharing throughout. I'm Christian from BestAIReviews, your go-to guide for AI tutorials, and without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Visit the site by entering freefliki.com or use the link provided in the description below. Once you're on the site, click Start for free. You can create an account using any of the available options. Once you've done that, you'll be directed to the Files dashboard. Step 2. Start a new project by navigating to New File. Select Video as your file type, give your file a name, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and opt for the Start with Idea option. After you've done all this, click Submit to proceed. Step 3. Input an idea or concept into the text box provided. Let's say we want to create a YouTube Shorts video about funny random facts. We'll keep the duration under 30 seconds and use stock media for our scenes. If you wish, you can also add an AI avatar, sound effects, and more. But for now, we'll keep it simple. Once you're done, click Submit and wait for Fliki's AI to start working on its feature. Step 4. Customize your video. There may be instances where the AI suggests scenes that don't quite fit, but you can easily change them manually. Navigate to Layout and select the footage to access the media library. Search for a specific keyword and choose one that suits your scene. Feel free to apply these changes to other scenes as well. Additionally, you can customize the caption by clicking on the text. A set of tools will appear on the right side, allowing you to adjust the text's position, change the font, resize it, modify its display, and more. If necessary, you can change the voiceover of your choice and background audio to make it more engaging. Step 5. Preview and export your video. Once you're satisfied with your creation, preview it one last time and then export it. With all these steps completed, let's take a look at our video and see how it turned out.
Unleashing laughter with hilarious facts. Did you know wombats' poop is cube-shaped? Yep, nature's little dice rollers right there.
Start creating videos with ease by visiting freefliki.com and tune in for the next video for more Fliki tutorials.